on that Tinder game.
No. Just watching a guy blow himself up 2 inches away from the
Yeah.
Alexandria.
What are you doing, Hen?
Put gas in the drift truck so I can go rip around the block.
What are you doing, Bill?
Watching him put gas in.
Go, Brandon. Go,
That wind in your hair, Bill.
Elizabeth's about ready to drive the drift truck. Get that clickbait. Just kidding. She's putting her harness on right now, but she is going to go drive it. Look at her stunting. She's a baller.
Babe.
She's a baller.
Okay.
Grab the steering wheel.
Oh, God.
There you go. All right.
Babe, why aren't you putting your seatbelt on?
Because this one I didn't really adjust yet. Alright, so put it in neutral. Alright. First switch is fuel. Flip that. Alright, now press the black button. There you go. Now flip the second switch. That's the fan. Alrighty. Put it in reverse and let's go.
It's the same as mine?
No, it's all the way over and then back. Slowly let off the clutch. She just did a burnout in the shop. I'm gonna die, Billy!
No, you're not, babe.
Go straight. Yeah, it's because it's cold. Oh god.
Try to drift it.
Punch it. See now that it's warmed up, doesn't miss. Alright, do you remember how to do a burnout?
No, not really.
Let's do it. Okay, so what you do is you put on, you're in gear, foot on the clutch, all the way in, rev it up pretty good, and then when you let off the clutch, full throttle, and then press on the brakes. Okay, so
My left foot.
yeah, so clutch in, rev up, dump the clutch full throttle, and then brakes at the same time as the gas. More, dump the clutch and brakes. There you go. Doing a burnout. Hell yeah. Good job, babe.
Thanks, bud. I think I almost killed it.
Not, well, yeah, almost at first.
But I saved it.
Yeah, that was awesome. That was fucking awesome. Punch it. I love this girl.
Dude, because I can do a burnout?
Yeah, because she can do burnouts better than most guys.
No.
So it's Monday morning. Suburban's loaded with stuff. got to go to the shop, put the drift truck on the trailer, and head out. Got my spicy Zestinos back there. I'm not bringing all of my tires because it's just a test. I don't need to be there all day and, you know, have it be an end-all be-all sort of thing. It's really just for me to get comfortable in the truck again and make sure there's no problems with it before May. Just waiting for Billy right now. He should be here any minute now. We're gonna load my 350Z on the trailer too, because I don't like having to unhook the Suburban from the trailer if I don't have to. So we're gonna throw the Z on the 2-car trailer with the drift truck, you know, in case we gotta run to go get fluids, or, you know, anything happens, we gotta run to a parts store, gotta run to a tire store or something like that. It'd be nice to have that car there just to go and run, you know, run a couple quick errands or whatever. So and also I think I'm gonna have Billy try and do like some chase runs, some chase and lead runs and stuff like that with the camera. I think it'll be kind of cool. People seem to like when I did that at Grange 2 years ago when we were running Grange in reverse. So I'm gonna try and do that again for you guys. I think it'll be a really cool video. So all right, we ready. It's gonna be a fucking awesome day. I need helper bags real bad on this thing. Look at them over there. Fucking slackers. Fucking slackers. Yep, it's like 10:15 now and we're finally ready to hit the road. I'm gonna stop and put fuel in the drift truck and fill up my jerry can. And then we out.
Alright, first run. This guy off-roading in his Lexus. Oh gosh, that's his girlfriend's Lexus.
Man, you can tell that thing's got a lot of grip.
Linus, this is Billy's brother-in-law, stepbrother from Germany. First time in a drift car? Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. This is the first lap, so let's do it. Let's spin this thing. Alright, so we out here with Dirty Mike and the boys. Got Billy. So the truck on those past few laps with Linus had pretty bad rear axle hop, so I'm gonna adjust the pinion angle and see if that fixes it. Also felt really grippy, a little too grippy in the rear, so I'm gonna air up the rear tires a little bit. It's puking power steering fluid, but other than that, a few small fixes and it should be ripping.
She slides. Woo!
She slides real good.
It seems like it's on the left side.
Alright, so had to make a bunch of adjustments on the rear suspension of this thing. All the links were bound up for the 4-link. You couldn't turn any of them by hand, and the axle wasn't centered and the pinion angle wasn't good, but we finally got it hopefully dialed, about to go out. Once the bikes are done, out there, where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Once that guy's done ripping around, take it out, give Billy a proper lap in this thing, and then I'm gonna let Mr. Mike drive, since he was kind enough to let me drive his Cressida in the Yankee Zuko video I put up. Elizabeth came and hung out a little bit. She did some chase car action for me.
And now my car's tick, 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 tick.
And now our car's got a lifter tick. And Cato came along. He was miserable the whole time.
No, he was happy.
Okay. Well, we're done. We out. The truck got abused really, really badly, but you know, it took it. Casualties was I destroyed some fenders, and there's fucking oil all over everything, or power steering fluid, I should say, all over everything. Can't thank Billy enough. He's invaluable help to me. He's the best. And these Zestinos in the front are the stickiest goddamn tires I've ever had on this thing. I think the hype is real, my friends. The hype is real. Fucking steering wheel, get the fuck on there. Alright, cool. We out.